Let's talk about the example of a trigonometric identity. So as you can see, my example is prove sine square theta times cotangent square theta is equal to cosine square theta. So if you remember, I always take my left hand side. So I'm going to consider my left hand side, and as you can see, my left hand side is sine square theta times cotangent square theta. Now, if you remember, we know that cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. So basically what I'm going to do for this cotangent square theta, I'm going to substitute cotangent by cosine over sine. So I will write this is equal to sine square theta times my cotangent is cosine over sine theta whole square. Now let's simplify further, and if I do that, I will write this is equal to sine square theta times cosine theta over sine theta whole square is basically cosine square theta over sine square theta. Now, as you can see, my first term is sine square theta over 1 and my second term is cosine square theta over sine square theta. So what I can do, I can easily cancel my sine square theta from numerator and denominator. And if I do that, what is left? I have only thing left is cosine square theta over 1, which is basically what? Cosine square theta. And if you look closely, this is basically my right hand side. So basically what we did, we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. And this is how we'll prove a trigonometric identity problem.